Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are. This is a new section which I'm going to start from today. So, in this, I am going to do the conversation between the divine masculine and the divine feminine. So, here on the right side, I'm taking the six cards from the divine feminines. Okay, what are they saying? Okay, what they want to tell the divine masculine. And on the left side I'm going to take six cards for the divine masculine, and let's see what are the things which they both want to say to each other who are not in contact with each other. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation. So let's see what are the six messages divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine who are not in contact with each other. What are the six messages? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay. Let me see four more messages. Please give me four more messages from the divine feminine. What divine feminine wants to say. Please give me two more messages from the divine feminine. Please give me two more messages. There are too many. Please give me two more messages from the divine feminines. Please give me one more message. What does divine feminine wants to say? Okay. So let's see what are the messages the divine masculine wants to say. What does divine masculine wants to say? There are too many. What are the divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines? Please give me three more messages. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So the mutual message for both of you, which you both are thinking, is thank you for loving me unconditionally. So that's the thing which you both want to say to each other here. So now let's start with the divine feminines. Divine feminines, you want to say that it was easy to blame you rather than to look within. So that's the thing which you want to say the divine masculine. It was easy to blame you rather than looking within. I am exactly where I need to be. Then there is thank you for being you. What we are going through is only bringing us closer. So these are the things which divine feminine wants to say, DF. Okay, divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine, DM. Then there is someone is wounded, divine feminine here. I feel like I'm not good enough. Okay, so here they want to say here. Then you can be yourself with me. You can be yourself with me. So these are the messages which I am getting for you. Okay, divine feminines, these are the messages you want to say. Now the divine masculine. The divine masculine is saying that you will forever be my always. You will be forever by always. You make me a better person. You inspire me to become the best version of myself. So that are the things which they are trying to tell you. You never give up on me. Then please connect me in 5D. They want to connect you in 5D. You know me better than anyone else. So these are the messages which Divine Masculine wants to tell you. Let's add some more messages here. Let's see more messages from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Okay, it just fell out. I'm going to take it later. Imagine solutions and reevaluate your priorities. So these are the two messages which I'm getting for you, that you both need to imagine solutions and reevaluate your priorities here. Okay, let's see what are the messages from the tarot. What are the messages from the tarot here? What are the messages you want me to deliver? What are the messages? Seven of Cups, Three of Cups, King of Swords, High Priestess, Strength, and Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Sun. New happy beginnings are coming for you here. Okay, that's why here I'm having reevaluate your priorities. Maybe you are dealing with a lot of options here. You are having confusions because maybe either Divine Masculine or the Divine Feminine, you are having a lot of options to choose here. And you know this truth, but this is what I'm getting here in Divine Masculine energy here. Can you see? This Divine Masculine King of Swords know this truth, that they are having a lot of options to choose, but they are using their intuitions here. High Priestess, they are using their intuitions. They are gaining the strength to approach you, and there is a lot of communication which is coming for you here, Divine Feminines. There are new happy beginnings which are coming for you. So this is all what I am having right now in this video. So this was a conversation between you and your divine counterpart. Okay, I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, and also let me know in the comment section how you like this new video. So if you like this video, I'm going to continue this section in the future. Okay, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all over who are watching this video. Take care and see you soon.